Hey people, it is Crystal. Right now I'm watching the AMAs, and if you guys saw it, you saw Rihanna's comeback, you saw Jay-Z and Alicia Keys perform Empire State of Mind, you saw A-Rod, Selena Gomez, um, Chris Allen, and Demi Lovato present an award. Beyonce won an award, Michael Jackson won an award, Taylor Swift won an award. Um, yeah. Who did you vote for? Artists, or I forgot what they said, artist of the year or something like that. I think album of the year, I'm not sure, but something like that. Sorry, but I really can't, remember things right now, because I just stayed home the whole day since I was obviously coughing and I felt really sick. So I was like staying home, and right now I'm on Twitter. So follow me on Twitter at CEEE, three E's, okay, three E's, and then LOVE, okay. Um, right now Carrie Underwood's performing, and I think Beyonce won an award. Um, yeah. So she wasn't there, but oh well. What? Just keep watching. Um, everybody's like texting me and whatnot about the AMAs. Okay, and right now my background is me and Dominique, cause peace time. That was on Friday. Yeah. Graduation ring. Right. Yeah, graduation ring. Since my last year, I got a graduation ring. How many of you peoples are graduating? I don't know. Why am I making this video? It's a pointless video, but I'm bored, and since I'm home alone right now, I have nothing else to do but like make videos. So I'll get back to you guys later, and just follow my Twitter and I'll be happy, right? Okay, bye.